When your child has a complete meltdown because you turned off their iPad, your natural instinct is to either give in to stop the crying or try harder to make them understand why screen time is over. Both responses actually make screen addiction worse and guarantee the tantrum will last longer. What I'm about to show you is a 4-letter method that helps children move through screen withdrawal faster while building their emotional regulation skills. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact calm technique that transforms how you handle every screen-related meltdown. The calm technique stands for connect, acknowledge, limit, and maintain. Each letter represents a specific action that supports your child through withdrawal while protecting your boundaries. C stands for connect before you correct. Get down to their eye level, stay close, and regulate your own nervous system first. Take 3 deep breaths and drop your shoulders. Your calm presence provides the external regulation their overwhelmed system needs. A stands for acknowledge their experience without changing your decision. Say, you really want that iPad right now, or it's hard when something fun has to end. You're validating feelings without validating demands. Never debate or explain extensively during a meltdown. L stands for limit discussion. During withdrawal, your child cannot process rational explanations. State your boundary once. Screen time is done for today. Then stop talking. Silence is more powerful than repeated explanations. M stands for maintain your boundary with compassion. Don't give in to stop the tantrum. This teaches their brain that escalation works. Stay present and say, "This is really hard, and I'm staying right here with you." Don't offer screens or negotiate. Here's your actionable insight. Create a physical anchor for yourself. Press your thumb and finger together, place your hand on your heart, or feel your feet on the ground. When your child escalates, use this anchor to stay regulated. Your nervous system state directly impacts how quickly they can regulate. Most parents see shorter, less intense tantrums within days of using calm. Your child learns escalation doesn't restore screens, but you'll stay present through difficult emotions. This builds genuine regulation skills. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with relating to your kids' obsession with screens. Click the link or check my bio to discover an ebook that can give you all the skills that you need to stop your child's screen addiction.